Good morning, students. Observe the picture on the screen. Yes, an old man, an old woman, and a turnip plant. Okay, so they are trying to pull out the turnip from the ground, but by the face you can see they are trying very hard to take out the turnip from the ground, but they are not able to take it out. So this turnip seems to be very big. Okay, so this is the story about enormous turnip. Unit 3 story, The Enormous Turnip, from Marigold Class 3. This is video number 1 of this story. In the story, we will read the story and understand the story. In second video, we will do the new words of the story, and in video 3, we will do exercise, that is question answer of the story. So listen carefully and try to read the story at your home on your textbook. Okay, so let us start this explanation and reading of the story. Ready to know how this enormous turnip came out? Let us see. Once upon a time, an old man planted some turnip seeds. Once upon a time, an old man planted some turnip seeds. Okay, so there was an old man who planted some seeds in the ground so that he can get turnip. The turnip seeds grew. The turnip seeds grew and grew. What happens when we plant some seeds? It starts growing. It starts increasing its size. It comes from ground to out, and then it becomes a tree or plant or anything. So likewise, the turnip seeds grew. The turnip seeds grew and grew. I want to pull up the enormous turnip. Who is I? I is an old man. I is a pronoun used for an old man, because the old man has planted the seeds. So it's the crop of old man. Then old man will take it out. So he said, I want to pull up the enormous turnip, said the old man. You can see the old man is trying. The old man pulled and pulled, but he could not pull up the enormous turnip. The old man initially old man started himself to take out the turnip, but he could not take out. Why he could not take out the turnip? Because it was enormous. Enormous means very big in size. Enormous means very big in size. So it was enormous, so he cannot take out. What happened then? An old woman came. You can see an old woman. She came. I want to pull up the enormous turnip, said the old man. Old man once again said to the old lady, I want to pull up the enormous turnip, said the old man. So the old lady also started helping him. How? Let us see. I will help you, said the old woman. The old man and the old woman pulled and pulled. Now there are two persons who is pulling the enormous turnip, but they could not pull up the enormous turnip. Now there are two, but still they are not able to pull out the enormous turnip. Why? Because turnip is enormous. It is very big in size. So if it is very big in size, it is under the ground. You can see. Then what happened? You can see a boy came. A boy came. Then we want to pull up that enormous turnip. Now we is pronoun used for the old man and the old woman. We want to pull up that enormous turnip, said the old woman. The boy said, I will help you, said the boy. Now they are three. Now they three started taking turnip tree out. The old man and the old woman and the boy pulled and pulled, but they could not pull out the enormous turnip. Now they are three and they together started taking out the turnip out of ground, but they three cannot pull out the turnip. Why they could not pull out the turnip? Yes, because turnip is enormous in size, very big. Then what happened? A girl came. You can see a girl came. We want to pull up that enormous turnip, said the boy. This time, boy said to the girl, what? We want to pull up that enormous turnip. We want to pull up that enormous turnip. I will help you, said the girl. When the boy said, we three are trying to pull out the enormous turnip, but it is not coming out. So the girl said, okay, I will help you. Now they are four. The old man and the old woman and the boy and the girl pulled and pulled. Now they four pulled and pulled. They're trying to take out the turnip. Up came the enormous turnip. Now when they have four have started to take out the turnip, up come the enormous turnip. Enormous turnip came out. We will help you to eat the enormous turnip. Now because turnip is in very big size, so all said, we will help you to eat the enormous turnip, said the old woman and the boy and the girl. Okay, and they did. Okay, so this is the end of the story. So what is the moral of the story? What you can say? Let me summarize the story first for you, then you tell me the moral of the story. An old man was there, he planted some tree and turnip tree, and then he wanted to take out the turnip, but he was not able to take out the turnip. An old woman came, she said, I will help you. Then the old man and the old woman tried to take out the turnip from the ground, but they could not. Then a boy came, they both said, okay, we cannot take out this turnip, enormous turnip. Then boy said, I will help you. But still the three could not take out the turnip. Then a girl came. The boy said, what? Okay, we are trying to take out this turnip from the ground, but we are not able to take. The girl said, okay, I will also help you. Then now they are four and they take turnip out. But it was so enormous. So what happened? They said, we will help you to eat it. Now they all four take the turnip. Okay. So the moral of the story is, yes, teamwork. Teamwork is more important. Alone, neither the old man, nor the old woman, nor the boy, nor the girl can take out the turnip. Okay, but all four together can take the turnip out. So, teamwork is more important than anything else. Thereafter, second thing what happened, when the turnip came out, they all said, we will help you to eat out. Means they all had worked hard to take out, so they shared their output. So their enormous turnip. Okay, so we should share our things. So two morals are there. One, teamwork is most important. Second, we should share our things with our friends, neighbors. Okay. So I hope you like this story. Now you can see all four were very happy. So if you like the story, please hit the like button and subscribe the channel if you have not subscribed till now. Thank you.